find a blog on your site? In many cases, the answer will be yes. Does your blog have an internal search engine? The answer to this question varies, but for those who do have it, I have another question. Do you know what users are searching for on your blog? If you don't know yet, then today's video is exactly about that. The search terms used by users directly on your site or blog can be an incredible source of ideas for the content you create. Therefore, it's worth getting to know them. You can do this by configuring the appropriate report in Google Analytics for GA4. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. After logging into the GA4 panel, we go to the Explore section and start a new exploration by selecting Freeform. And you can change its name to Internal Search. And right now, we have to choose the correct dimensions and metrics. In dimensions, we need to have event name and search term, which we have to add. Okay, we've got it. And in metrics, we need to have event count that's already here. Of course, we can add other dimensions such as stream name, but let's start by creating a basic report. We need to place our dimensions, our metrics in the correct places. And we start with search term. We have to put this bar, the search term, into the row. Yes. And we have to remove town/city. We don't need this here. Okay, we've got search term in rows, and now we need to put our event name in column. And again, right now we can remove device category here. When it comes to metrics, we need to put event count into values, and again we can remove active users. And that's it. At this point, you will see the terms that users are searching for. And I know that this report is not perfect, but in total event count, you will see how many times a given term was searched for in a certain period. And you can choose the date range here. And let's check what people were searching in January on our site. And to be honest, it's a good thing this is a Google Analytics demo account, because if these were the searches on my site, I would wonder if you are really doing a good job at performance digital, because we've got Androids, backpack, bike, bottle, and analytics demo here. Okay, so let me know in the comment if you managed to configure this report, and if there are other topics related to web analytics or digital marketing that interests you and you are looking for the information on, I will also be grateful for a comment. Thanks and see you soon.